All right, time is 7 o'clock, so let us start on time. Very good evening to everyone. So today is the day two of our 2 days workshop on SLR. Ma'am is already with us, and I request Dr. Monika ma'am to kindly please take over the session. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you so much, sir. So let us start today's session, the day twos. Yes, let me share the screen. I hope everyone has joined. Yes. I hope everyone is able to see the slides. Yes. Thank you. Yes. So let us begin with the second day, that is systematic literature review and bibliometric analysis. And today we are about to discuss bibliometric analysis using WOS viewer. So let us go through the concepts first. Okay. So what to do first? For this, you can download our package and then you can type the command install.packages and within braces, round brackets and followed by inverted commas, double inverted commas, you can type bibliometrics. Then you can type library and within round brackets you can mention bibliometrics and then you can mention Biblioshiny and the round brackets. This is the command and then you will get a new window with this URL, right? So this is the basic command and we have again used the base paper today. I will share yesterday's also. Yeah, bibliometrics and our tool for comprehensive science mapping analysis if you want to go in detail further. So the second day of our workshop focuses on bibliometric analysis using WOS viewer. We will work with the Scopus Index paper by Hamad Hamdan Al-Masari et al., exploring how to use bibliometric tools to develop a robust review paper suitable for publication in high-impact journals. The session will guide you step by step from data collection to visualization and interpretation of bibliometric networks, ensuring a practical understanding of the entire process. So, as far as the concept is concerned, first of all we should know what is the meaning of bibliometric analysis. So, basically, bibliometric analysis is a tool, is a quantitative approach to analyze academic literature, allowing you to measure the impact and explore relationships between publications. It helps identify trends, influential papers, and research gaps. So we will make use of the tool that visualizes bibliometric networks, making it easier to identify patterns in your research field. The session will guide you through the process of using bibliometric analysis to enhance your literature review, focusing on its application in developing a review paper for publication. So let us understand how and what we are trying to discuss. So in a recent workshop, participants focused on bibliometric analysis to enhance their research skills. A scholar pursuing a thesis on digital transformation using WOS viewer to map co-authorship networks and keyword clusters. This approach revealed critical connections between established researchers and emerging themes. By the end of the workshop, the scholar has identified the most impactful research and gained a clear direction for their thesis, structuring it around relevant trends in the field. So this case demonstrates the value of bibliometric analysis in conducting a thorough and insightful literature review. So the question arises, how can bibliometric analysis improve the quality of a literature review? How can bibliometric analysis improve the quality of a literature review? Yes, anyone? Please respond. So basically, it helps identify key trends, influential authors, and research gaps, providing a comprehensive overview of the field. What are the benefits of using VOS viewer in bibliometric analysis? So, anyone? Basically, VOS viewer offers visual representation of data, making complex relationships easier to understand. So, what is the primary purpose of bibliometric analysis? To review literature, to measure the impact of research and identify trends, or to collect data? Yes, please.
Option B, ma'am.
Option B, others? Yes. Others should also participate. Yes, you are right. It is option B, to measure the impact of research and identify trends. One thing is very surprising that I have been conducting workshops for long, maybe years, but it is first time that respondents are not participating in caselet and its discussion. I am not able to understand. It happened yesterday, it is happening today again. The more you discuss, the more you will learn. So which tool is used in this workshop for bibliometric analysis? EndNote, SPSS, or VOS viewer?
Option C, ma'am.
Yes, this is option C, VOS viewer, VOS viewer. Now, understanding bibliometric indicators. So what is this? Bibliometric indicators are essential metrics that help in evaluating the impact of research. A citation count measures the number of times a paper has been cited, while H-index combines productivity and citation impact, and G-index gives more weight to highly cited articles. I hope you are aware of H-index, G-index, I-10 index or not. Yes or no?
No, ma'am. For me, I recently joined. Enrolled in Ph.D, so I don't have any knowledge about
I
this.
explain. Others, are you aware of H-index, I-10 index?
Yes, ma'am, but it would be better if you explain again.
Okay, I show.
Resume, yes.
If you open your Google Scholar account or Scoopus and index, it will be shown at one side. These are the metrics, different metrics used by different organizations. So as we have mentioned, citation count measures the number of times a paper has been cited, wherein H-index combines productivity and citation impact, and G-index gives more weightage to highly cited articles. So understanding these indicators enables you to identify the most influential studies and authors in your field. This research will explain how to apply these indicators to your research and interpret the results effectively to guide your literature review. Right? Okay. Now, during a bibliometric workshop, a scholar researching consumer behavior e-commerce was introduced to bibliometric indicators. She analyzed citation counts H index and G index from a Scopus dataset. This analysis highlighted a few key papers that were foundational in her field, guiding her to focus her review on these critical studies. The workshop demonstrated that understanding bibliometric indicators is crucial for identifying significant contributions and structuring literature review effectively. So why is it important to understand different bibliometric indicators? Yes, please. Why is it important to understand these indicators? It will provide an understanding of a study's impact, helping to identify key research and guiding literature review. How does H index differ from the citation count? How does the H index differ from the citation count? The H index considers both productivity and citation impact, whereas citation count only reflects the number of citations. What does the H index measure? What does the H index measure? Anyone?
Option C, ma'am.
Option C. Okay, others?
Oh, is the option C maybe, but the term productivity and citation impact are
Yes.
not clear.
Yes, it is C.
Option
Productivity and
A.
citation impact. Yes, ma'am. File, ma'am. It is option C only. Now the total number of citations is measured by which matrix?
No, sorry, the term productivity and citation impact is not clear in the
Okay,
previous, yeah.
right. So we will explore it in the coming slides. Still, if it is not clear, we will come back here. Right. So which bibliometric indicator gives more weight to highly cited articles? Highly cited. Anyone?
H index. I might be wrong, but productivity and citation impact, yeah,
More
H
weight
index.
to highly cited. Highly cited.
Ma'am, it is citation count.
Yes. It is not citation count. Which bibliometric indicator gives more weight to highly cited articles?
H index.
Yes. No, it is not H index.
G.
Yes, this is G. So you will generate curiosity and then you can understand. Okay. So if we say that H index is 10, what does it mean? It means the researcher has published at least 10 papers, each cited at least 10 times. So it balances a researcher's productivity, that is the number of papers, with their influence, that is the number of citations. Am I able to clarify this, sir? Productivity
Yes,
and
ma'am.
citation. Productivity means number of papers, and influence means number of citations. Right? So H index 10 means a scientist has published or researcher has published at least 10 papers, each cited at least 10 times. So larger the number, larger the H index, it means what?
Larger the citation count.
Okay, let us discuss one example. Listen carefully. Suppose a researcher got 17 citations more than one time for paper A. A researcher has published 5 papers. Listen carefully or you can note down. For paper A, 17 citations has been cited more than 1 time. Paper B, 9 citations more than 2 times. Paper C has 6 citations cited more than 3 times. D, 3 citations but not cited 4 or more times. Paper E, 2 citations but not cited 5 or more times. So what does it mean? If the number of papers is larger or the largest number of papers, you can say H. That each have received at least many citations. That is, how much is the maximum? Okay. Let me repeat the question if you have not understood. Paper A, 17 citations more than 1 time. B, 9 more than 2 times. C, 6 more than 3 times. D, 3.
Option C.
Number of papers that each have received at least 10 citations. That is, H is how much? H is how many times? Maximum is, see, first paper 1 time, second 2 times, third 3 times. So what is the maximum? What is the H index for the author? Highest number of citations plus how many times it has been cited. So paper C has 6 citations but cited more than 3 times. So H index will be 3 here. Is it clear? You may take some time to understand, but with practice you will learn the things. So we need to have basic terminology, clarity on basic terminology, right? So, and what is G index? It identifies the largest number of a researcher's most cited papers, right? That have received a total of at least G square citations. So how will it work? For a researcher, listen to the example. First, you list the papers of a researcher, then assign a rank and a squared rank. For the researcher with papers receiving citations of 100, 80, 60, 40, 20, means the ranks are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now the squared rank values. Square of 1 is 1, square of 2 is 4, 3 square is 9, 4 square is 16, and 5 square is 25. So you need to find the highest G. So the top paper has 100 citations, which is greater than or equal to 1 square. So G could be 1. Top 2 papers have 100 plus 80, that is 180 citations, which is 2 square, great, that is equal to 4, right? So the top 5 papers have 100 plus 80 plus 60 plus 40 plus 20, that is 300 citations, which is more than or equal to 5 square, that is equal to 25. Might be finding little technical? Yes. Then what is I index? I index is also known as 10 index, which is an academic metric for authors indicating how many of their published articles have at least 10 citations. कितने papers का 10 से ज़्यादा कम से कम 10 citation है. Example, an author might have an I-10 index of 28. I-10 index of 28, what does it mean? It means out of their published articles, at the 28 articles have been cited at least 10 times by each by other researchers. Does anyone has Google Scholar account or Scopus in account?
Yes,
Google,
I have.
can you share your screen and show us the Google Scholar account so that we can get more clarity? Should I stop sharing the screen?
Yes, ma'am. I'll just share my screen.
Please share so that all of you can get clarity on what we are discussing. Let me stop. Unless and until you get clarity, there is no fun moving ahead. Yes, please. So we will take up things one by one. We will not rush up. Whatever you learn it here. Done?
Is it visible?
Let me check. Yes, ma'am. Now all of you see here, like I am thankful to Kiran ma'am, she has shared her screen. Now all of you please see, she has her Google Scholar account in her name, and ma'am just move this window. It is covering the matrix. Now see here, citations, all 126, and since 2020 means for last 5 years it is 109. H index 4, I-10 index 4. Now if you see this I-10 index, ma'am, please move your cursor on these bars. Any bar? This bar, ma'am. This vertical bar. Yeah, bring your cursor. Yeah. Now see what is mentioned here. The number. Right? Citations per year. It is mentioned. They are mentioning year wise. Now see, I-10 index is equal to 4 means 4 of her papers have been cited at least 10 times. Am I right? Is it I-10? I-10 index. So I-10 index of 4 means out of so many publications of ma'am, 28 published articles have been cited. Sorry, 4 published articles have been cited at least 10 times by other researchers. Clear? Are you clear? And H index 4 means? Who will repeat? H index 4 means? Yes. The largest number of papers that each have received at least that many citations, that is H is 4. So she got her papers, many papers published, and every paper received some citations. And some of these citations have been done more than 1 time, more than 2 times, more than 3 times. So see, H index 4 means the largest number of papers, that is H, that have received at least 4 citations, right? So number of citations can be any, but how many times it has been cited, that is reflecting your H index. I will repeat. Let me try to simplify it for you. So if ma'am has published say 10 papers, right, and each has been cited at least 10 times. So her I-10 index will be 10, right? Then what about H index? So H index balances the productivity of the researcher, that is the number of papers, and their influence, that is number of citations. Like one paper, 17 citations, but one time. Fourth paper, only 3 citations, but cited 4 times. So H index will be 4 here. Is it clear? Can anyone repeat what we mean by H index and I-10 and what is the difference? Yes, please. Please repeat. Please repeat. Anyone? No?
H index shows that the 4 of my papers, it has been cited at least 4 times in years which they have mentioned from 2020.
H index is the highest number that you have 4 publications with at least 4 citations each.
Okay.
4 papers with at least 4 citations for each paper.
Okay.
I-10 is given by Google Scholar, means number of publications with 10 or more citations. It means G is indicating number of publications. Clear?
Okay.
Number of citations for, right? Number of papers with citations. I'll repeat. H index means if H index is 4, it means you have 4 publications with at least 4 citations for each paper. I-10 is also 4. It means 4 publications have more than 10 citations each. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So let us go back. Thank you so much, ma'am. Can you open your Google Scholar account also? Do you have it? We can show Google Scholar also, so learners can understand. See, Google Scholar is indicating H index and I-10. Now let us see Scopus index. Sorry, ma'am, not Google Scholar, but Scopus. I'm sorry. Please share your Scopus index.
Sorry, ma'am, I don't have Scopus index.
Okay. Anyone else? I think sir has. Arunav sir, can you please share your Scopus account?
Yes, but index I don't have, ma'am.
Okay. Anyone who has Scopus account? Yes, please.
Ma'am,
Anyone?
ma'am, Scoopers I have,
Please
but
open it.
like Kiran, ma'am, I don't have that index.
Let us see.
Ma'am, I have Scopus.
Okay, please
Index.
show.
1 second.
Right.
Let me just end it. 1 second.
Okay. We will wait. So when learners participate, then we learn more. I hope you all agree and remain attentive too. Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
thank you so much. Otherwise, I can show mine, but I want you people to participate. Like sir made yesterday's session interesting, and ma'am today he also started very well, shared her Google Scholar account. Now I am waiting for Scoopus account. Because those who do not know, they will get the curiosity to learn. Right?
There's a network issue. It went off. It's taking time.
Okay.
Let me just like
Okay.
actually I
Should we
logged from
wait?
my phone and the password I didn't saved it, so it's getting time for finding out the password.
No.
I'll just
Okay.
I'll
We
check
will
it
come
in
back
my
to
I'll check it from my laptop, ma'am. If you can
right now. Should we wait?
meanwhile I'll just try from my laptop.
Okay. Otherwise, we will continue with the session.
Yes, ma'am. If possible, please continue. Meanwhile, I will just find it out. I'll just log in and keep it.
Right. Should I share the PPT?
Yes, ma'am. And meanwhile, I'll just take it up. Yeah.
Right. So let us continue with our concept part first. Then we will come to the software. Okay. So, you know, research is such a wonderful field. The more you go into depth, the more you will get the quest to learn. जितना ज्यादा आप इसको पढ़ते जाएंगे उतना ज्यादा आपकी और इच्छा होती जाएगी इसको पढ़ने की. I do not know whether you people understand Hindi or not. Is my PPT visible?
No,
Yes.
ma'am.
No? Let me see what happened. Just a moment. Okay. Have you found, ma'am?
Ma'am, I'm just resetting my password.
Okay,
I'm just
okay. Okay.
almost done. Yeah.
Done?
Yes, ma'am. I'm just
Okay.
resetting. I've just reset my
Let us
password.
complete one part.
One second. Was this the same? Yeah. I'm logging in from my mobile. I'm just logging in from my. It got logged in into my account. I'm just
Right.
logging in from my laptop because I joined the meeting from my phone today. I'm just logging in. Give me 2 minutes.
Okay. Okay.
Ma'am, is my screen visible?
Let me see. Yes, ma'am.
One second. I'm just one second, please. I'm just taking my ORCID ID.
Okay. So I hope all of you are aware of ORCID. We need to have account in ORCID. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Account in
Yes,
ORCID.
ma'am. Yeah,
Yes.
this is my account.
Right. Please show your H-index.
I have seen my HNS only from the Google Scholar, not inside the Scopex.
No, super also. See.
Yeah. One second. Here, impacted, right?
So you
Impact,
were not.
right?
Yes. Right. So I hope now you have learned, all of you. Also, please have your account on every portal, whether it is Google Scholar or Scoopers, you will get it automatically, then Web of Science, and also have your account on ORCID. Ma'am, can you show ORCID also?
Yes, ma'am. Once again, let me just.
Okay. So once you have your account on ORCID, you can log into different accounts using ORCID ID. You need not create different accounts for different websites. Am I right? Yes. Okay.
Yes, I'm just logging into my ORCID.
All right. Everyone must see and learn the thing.
This is my ArcSid, and these are like my works. 12 papers index right now. Like it's in actually 14. Two more get to index and get to like link to the architect.
Yeah, and this is the ORCID ID. Right? Just I think like your Aadhaar card numbers. Right? Okay.
This is my architect.
So, thank you so much, ma'am,
Welcome.
for
Thanks,
your
ma'am.
active participation and showing the things to others. Okay, let me show my screen again. Let me share the presentations and complete the discussion. Okay.
Ma'am, kindly address the query we asked yesterday also, please. Towards
Pardon?
the end. Kindly address the query we asked yesterday in the
Yeah,
WhatsApp group towards the end.
yeah, I have that. Should I discuss that first?
No. It will be disturbance in the flow. What you take it, I think.
Yeah.
Yeah.
If you want, I can address that first.
No. Let's everyone come around, ma'am, not only me. Just a reminder.
Okay. I do not know basically what happened. Just give me a minute. Slides got hanged, it seems. Let me check it again. Just give me a minute. Okay. Before this, everything was perfect, but now there occurred some issues. Okay, I'll show presentations like this only because I do not know what happened all of a sudden. Okay, I will not make it full screen. There is occurring some problem in full screen. Okay, so we were discussing the concept. Okay, problem in screen sharing. What happened? Because yesterday also we did it like this, but there was no issue. Yes, now it is visible. Right, let us continue. So what we were discussing was, yes, data collection for bibliometric analysis, right? So we should know the sources for data collection, criteria for selecting relevant data, and managing and organizing data. So the foundation of a successful bibliometric analysis lies in the systematic collection of data. Databases like Google Scholar, Scopus, and Web of Science are the key sources. Select relevant data involves defining clear criteria such as keywords, publication year, and subject areas, as we have discussed yesterday. Proper data management and organization are also crucial, ensuring that your data set is comprehensive and relevant to your research question. So we will discuss the process of collecting and managing data effectively for this analysis. Bibliometric analysis, we mean to say. Right. Okay. Let us see the caselet. Has slide changed? Has slide changed? Yes. Are you able to see change slide? Yes. So at a research workshop, a student focused on sustainable supply chain management facing challenges in collecting relevant data for bibliometric analysis. Through the workshop, she learned to use Scopus and Web of Science effectively, gathering over 200 relevant papers. Like we did 123 papers yesterday, we were able to collect. This robust data set formed the foundation for her analysis, highlighting the importance of systematic data collection in ensuring the accuracy and comprehensiveness of her study. So, what are the key considerations when selecting data for bibliometric analysis? Anyone? Key considerations when selecting data for bibliometric analysis. Yes? Anyone that is coming to your mind? Please speak up. No?
It helps us to find the robust data set. Like if more citations are there, we can go for number of citations for that paper, and we can follow up that paper which has more citations.
Okay. Anyone else? So whatever we are discussing, everything has certain meaning. Anyone? Okay. So relevance, quality, and comprehensiveness of data based on defined criteria are crucial. So why is it important to use multiple databases like Scopus and Web of Science? Yes. Why is it important?
Large number of articles are available or manuscripts are available with the number of citations.
Yes.
And we can sort it out like yesterday, what you have suggested, like Prisma, we can use it, and we can sort it with the age, means which year we want to find out, and then we can find out with a more advanced search with the keywords.
Right. Right. So we can make use of multiple databases that ensures a comprehensive data set covering a wide range of relevant studies. Right, ma'am? Thank you so much. Okay. Which of the following is a key source for data collection in bibliometric analysis? Key source.
Google Scholar.
Google Scholar.
Also we can use.
Out of the options given, definitely Google Scholar. Next. What is the first step in collecting data for bibliometric analysis? First step in collecting data for bibliometric analysis.
Option B.
It is option B, collecting relevant criteria. Right. Okay. So, systematic literature review using PRISMA. Full form of PRISMA? Full form of PRISMA. We discussed yesterday. How can we move ahead with software when we are not able to recall the definitions? Yes? Full form? Preferred reporting items for systematic reviews and meta-analysis. It provides a structured approach for conducting systematic literature reviews. It involves defining research questions, searching the literature, screening and selecting studies, and reporting results using a flow diagram. The PRISMA framework ensures transparency and replicability in the review process, making it a valuable tool for researchers. So today we will understand how to, we have learned already that how to apply PRISMA to your research, ensuring a rigorous and well-documented review. So let us go through the caselet to understand it further. So a scholar studying employee engagement in remote work settings applied the PRISMA framework to identify relevant studies. By defining clear research questions and using the PRISMA flow diagram, she systematically screened and selected 100 papers for her review. This structured approach not only streamlined her literature review process, but also improved the quality of her research by focusing on the most relevant studies. So how does PRISMA improve the quality of systematic literature review? Yes? Anyone?
It helps us to screen and select the valid papers for us, articles for us.
Okay.
Like earlier, what I have or what yesterday we have talked about year wise and advanced search and all the things we can use it, and we can sort it out relevant papers for our article or manuscript.
Right. Okay. Anyone else who would like to contribute? Anyone else? Only one
Ma'am,
participant.
it narrowed down the number of papers.
Okay. So basically, as far as first question is concerned, PRISMA ensures transparency, rigor, replicability in the literature review process. What is the role of PRISMA flow diagram in a literature review? Role of the diagram. Now you can specify. Yes?
It helps us, like if we have 200 numbers of paper, and then if we will use Prisma, then we can come to 20 numbers of papers after using the Prisma flow chart. That it reduces the number and quality of the paper it shows.
Right, right. So the PRISMA flow diagram documents the inclusion and exclusion process and enhances the transparency. Right. I have asked, what does PRISMA stand for? Right. So you know this. Right. Which option? I just mentioned today again. It is option. We must know the basics. We must revise what we have studied. Which option?
C.
Yeah, it is
C.
C, sir.
Preferred record.
Right. Which of the following is not a step in the PRISMA process? Not a step. Please read carefully. Not a step.
Option B.
B.
Sure?
Yes, option B.
Yeah, this is option B. Right.
जब बॉटल लेते हैं और ग्लास लेते हैं पानी डाल देंगे.
Co-authorship and collaboration networks. Now, co-authorship networks visualize the relationships between authors, highlighting patterns of collaboration in the research field. Identifying key collaborators through these networks can reveal influential researchers and institutions, offering opportunities for a partnership and knowledge exchange. Understanding these networks is crucial for positioning your research within the academic community and identifying potential collaborators. So, we will discuss how to map and analyze co-authorship networks, providing insights into collaboration trends in your field. So, a scholar researching AI in healthcare explored co-authorship networks using VOSviewer. The analysis revealed key authors and institutions collaborating frequently in AI healthcare research. This insight allowed the candidate to identify potential collaborators and strategically position his work within the broader academic community, increasing his visibility and potential for future collaborations. So, how can co-authorship networks help in identifying key collaborators in a research field? Yes, please. Anyone? Anyone? Please respond.
Using viewer's viewer.
Okay. Anyone else? Please respond. Anyone else? No?
Ma'am, sorry for interrupting.
Yes.
Ma'am, can you show a practical example of using a bibliometric analysis?
Right, ma'am. So let us complete this first, or then we should move to the software, I think.
If you, I feel so if you show the practical example, will be more better for us than the theoretical part.
Same here, ma'am. I think practical will help us more.
Yes,
Okay.
we don't need a theoretical much, ma'am, because this we need a practical exposure more.
Okay. 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 So, has anyone got this R in their laptop? R Studio in their laptop? Have you downloaded it? Because I have shown the slide in the beginning. You see? Let me show it again. See this. What you need to do first to see the practical example. I'll give you 5 minutes. Please download our package. Then give these commands and then we can discuss. Can you please do
Ma'am, can you paste this in the chat box for the link?
the steps? Are
No, no.
these visible?
Do we do want that HTTP like thing, or directly we can put our package and download it?
Yeah, it will take hardly, I think, 2-3 minutes. Just download our package and then give this command for this practical view. Just try. Will it be fine? Yes or no? Just try it at least once.
We are doing it.
Yeah, please do it. If you are able to do it, we can share the screen and we can discuss with others. I think this
Ma'am, if you have our package, you can please share it, ma'am, because it will take time for us to install.
okay. Anyone else who is having R Studio? Anyone? Yes, please. No one? Please do it side by side. It will be better. Yes, please. Can you do it? Because using R needs network with speed, I am able to give commands and opening, waiting for the window to open so that I can show you from the beginning. Yeah, it is open now. Yes. Let me show. Now I can show it to you, to everyone. Right? It is all practice. You can learn. You can discuss. Okay. Let me show it. Okay. Let me stop with PPTs and show the screen. Okay. Chrome tab. Okay. R. Now first see, let us see from the beginning. Yeah. When you type R Studio or R, you can click here, download R for Windows, and then you can download R and you can get it installed. Right? I hope you can do this step. Now you can get a shortcut in your PC on the desktop, and when you run or execute, then you will get the shortcut at the desktop. And okay, what is to be shown? No, not this one. No. Window. What is this? Is it your window or is it R? Let me check. What is shown here? No. I need to stop. So I think I need to share entire screen. Just a moment. Let me share. Okay. Let me share the entire screen. Right. What is visible here? Not this. Okay. How to show, that is what I am wondering. Okay. Only this is visible. This is not. Everything is there on my desktop and the windows are open, but I do not know why I'm not able to share. Let me check it again. What's the problem I'm facing? I want to show you our GUI, that is graphic user interface to you first. Right. Is it in Chrome? Or should I paste the things and show it to you? It is working in my PC and I'm able to see it, but not able to share it. Yes, it is there, I think. Yes. Not stable. It is not stable. Before I share, it goes. Just give me a second. I'm trying to share. That is why I requested if anyone can share. It can save our time. Because before I share, it goes. Let me try once more. Yes. Now, can you see this GUI? Graphic user interface. And whatever commands we give, these appear in red. So whatever commands I have shown on the screen here. First you download R package, then you give this command install.packages within round brackets and inverted commas, Bibliometrics. Then give next command, library within round brackets, bibliometrics, and then the next command, Biblioshiny and round brackets. And then you will get a new window opened in front of you with this URL. Is this clear up to this point? So you see, I have given the commands just now and this new window got opened. But if you want, I can share it again. Okay. Let me give the command again if you are able to view it. Because sometimes since it is online, processing takes time. Let me see if I can type the commands again and I can show it to you. If software permits me or internet permits me, I'll do it again. So once we have given the command, we can again copy and we can need not type it again and again. Right? So after downloading, first command. No. Processing is going on. I hope all of you can see that the processing is going on. So here comes the role of internet in softwares. Otherwise, the next window that will open, I can show it to you after these commands. So first I have given first command, then you see the second command, and then the third command. So same is the thing I have mentioned in PPTs, 3 commands. And then a new window gets opened up. Let me share with you the new window that is opened in front of us after going. Because here processing is taking time. So let me stop it. Now the new window that will open in front of you, let me show that to you. Yes, I think this will be the new window. This one. Now this is the home page for Biblioshiny that will get opened in a new window. Right? So whenever you want to use R, just use the latest version so that you can get the desired results. Now what to do here? Just explore. Now see. Is it full screen? Yes. Now see, let us read and understand the software. What is being shown here? Biblioshiny, the Shiny app for Bibliometrics, right? It is now Biblioshiny 5.5, right? So all of you can see that it is Biblioshiny and Bibliometrics are open source and are freely available for use, right? So it is authorized. You can mention the version you are using, latest version you have to use. So now it includes Biblio AI also, a powerful AI assistant for your science mapping analysis. Earlier it was not so. And here the paper that you must refer to while using this app is again mentioned here. Just download the paper and go stepwise and understand the things one by one. If you want, I can show you the paper also. Or if you want, you can download on your own and you can go through. It is all up to you.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes,
Was that an app that you were talking about?
pardon?
Uh, Initially, you were talking about bibliometrics.
Yes, using
So was that an app?
R is a software.
Yes, this one. Is this an
Like
app?
yes, R software, R package, R or R studio.
Okay.
And should I show it again? I showed you earlier.
Yes. So could you please show us once the interface of this side and how to use that practically?
All right. let me stop
Yeah.
this again. So let us start. Okay. Let me share my Google screen with you then.
Ma'am, please show us once again in the interface itself, ma'am. Practically, once again. Please show us once again in the interface itself.
Yes,
Your
I
shows us, not in PPT, ma'am. Like in interface, have you showed us no before now?
yeah,
So,
I was trying to show you the interface of the
again, please, you can show us once again. It's not very clear.
can you see the screen? Okay, it is not visible. Ma'am, see, when you type in Google R or RStudio, download R or RStudio, as I have given you, you can just mention in the Google download R package. Then you will get this first link, download R, right? Based on the Windows and the 64-bit or 32-bit configuration, you can get it downloaded. Just click, it will get downloaded, and then
After downloading, what we have to do, ma'am?
right? Yeah, after
Downloading.
After downloading, let me show you the next step. Once you give the command to download, yes. I downloaded it today only for you because we always need our latest version. See, in download history, you will get it, this software, then you run the latest version. Clear? Once you run it, what will happen next? What will happen next? Let me show. Yes, I'll show the steps one by one. Just give me some time. Now see, not this, not this. Not this one. Okay. Difficult to share the screen. Let me try again. Yes. Now it is open. You just give the commands as I mentioned. You have to type. The blue colored things will run on their own. You have to give these commands which are in red color. First command, you can write install.packages, and within square brackets and inverted commas, you can write bibliometrics. First command. Then give it time to process. Then the second command. What was the second command I have given to you? Second command was, yes?
How do we know in which place we have to give the command?
Okay. See, like this. Whenever you press enter, you will get this. You can type here. Right?
Okay.
Should I do it now? Okay. Let me do it. Install.packages. Let me check. Where I'm typing. Whenever you start, just press enter, and then you can write install dot packages right? And what was the command? It was Bibliometrics. Press enter, right? And give it a time to processing. That is what I was avoiding, because sometimes processing takes time. So you have a prompt, and now after the prompt you type, just press enter. You have to prompt where your cursor is blinking. Now see, again I got a blinking cursor. Now again I can type next command here. Processing has been completed. Next command is library. See, have you understood where we have to type? And then you have to write. Just learn the commands. Library, Bibliometrics. Close the bracket, enter. Okay, what happened? Okay, spelling mistake. Library, do it again. Bibliometrics. Enter. It means you have to give next command. Softwares have been downloaded now, or packaging files have been downloaded. Now mention Biblioshiny. Enter. Now see. Next window opened. I think you may not be able to see. This is the limitation of, Google Meet, Gmeet. Let me close it, because I want to show you the next window that has opened up after this command. Right? Because whenever there occurs a new window opens, it is not shown directly in the screen. We need to wait. That is the problem.
Ma'am, you can share the whole screen, your screen, so you can toggle and show us.
Yeah, I tried earlier, but it didn't work.
That way, no need to like unshare and reshare.
Okay, let me try. But since I have given the command again, so it is taking time to, open up. The new window is taking time to open up. Earlier I kept it ready for sharing. Let me see. Otherwise I have to give command once more. Yeah, it is still processing. Okay. But what is your main focus is? You want to learn the commands and how to analyze, right? Software, I think you understood now how to open and what will be the new window. That I have shown you earlier, right?
Ma'am, fine, ma'am, but how to use that further, that we are clear
Yeah, I
about.
can show you that.
Don't build Biblioshiny, but after that, how to use it?
Yeah, that I want to tell you, but I am waiting for this command to get completed. It is still processing. If you want, I can show. Just a moment. Let me see if I can show it. How to use. Very right and genuine question. Now see. If I am able to show. Yes. This will be the next window. It will open in a new window. And this will be the URL. I have already mentioned in the PPT. It is http colon, then two down backward arrows, then backward slashes, then 127.0.0.1 colon 5801, then backward slash. this will get opened up. Is it clear up till this point?
Yes.
Yes. Now how to use? Nothing to learn, nothing to, what should I say, recall. Just explore the software. You will learn yourself. How? Let me show. It is in Microsoft. It got opened in Microsoft Edge, right? Okay. Now see what I was trying to show here. This is the paper. You must go through it wherever you stuck up while using this software, Biblioshiny, right, for bibliometrics analysis. Everything is explained here by the authors, area and others. Bibliometric, an R tool for comprehensive science mapping analysis, published in Journal of Informatics, right? Now what to do? Just explore the first tab. For information, what is Biblio AI? A new feature that has been added recently. AI is there to support you. Now see, everything is mentioned. What is Biblio AI? What will it do? How to enable it and why to use it. If you want to take help of AI. Then the supported files. Now see, everything is explained here with the help of example and see. Biblioshiny imports and analyzes collections exported from the following bibliographic databases. Yesterday, we were going through different databases. Now it is exploring these databases, or you can click one and you can type keywords as we did yesterday, right? So Web of Science, Coopers and Open AI allow users to export complete set of metadata, making it possible to perform all analysis implemented in Biblioshiny. Right? Now, in other databases, they have mentioned dimensions. Now, what will happen? Right? Now, you will get this table. How much and what kind of information you get it. Now, database, available metadata and suggested file formats. Like for Scoopers, format is bibtex or CSV files and exported metadata all except cited or references, and recommended format is CSV. Now see, for different databases, we have different recommended softwares and exported metadata. Clear? Just go through these in detail. Now what to do next? Click on the next. Teams publications. See. Now, data. Here comes your work. Import or load. Now, whatever data you have got, you have to import it or you have to load it here. Now, what to do? Import raw file, load bibliometric file, or use a sample collection. Clear? Let us use a sample collection. Click start. Are you getting? Are you getting it? No reply. Now see what will happen. Advice. See. Your metadata has no critical issues. Now see what happens. Author, document type, missing counts, missing percentage and status. So you can collect it up to this dark green, which are in excellent form. Right? Now what to do next? Okay. Now see this. How many rows you want? Do you need entire data or you want to reduce? Now see conversion results. Number of documents is 898. Now you want to export this information, you got it. Just click whether you want it in the form of Excel or you want it as R data format. So it saved all your efforts and you got the data here. Now you can, and this is, the template.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, could you show us how to import the data or load the data and then export the collection?
Yeah, for that you need data, right?
Yes, so
Because
can you show us some sample that you can import and then export your collection?
Yes, ma'am. Right. Like
okay, okay,
we
let us
want how to import it. How you got this table like DOA, AU, AF, and all.
okay,
Yes, this was the sample table that was available. So if we get to know how to import, how to make this chart and reduce the columns or increase the columns that we want, and then how to export this ahead.
okay, ma'am.
Yeah.
Do you know how to analyze this data that we
No,
have
ma'am, we don't know.
just now?
No, ma'am.
Okay,
Bibliometric is new.
it is new to you. Okay,
Yes, Bibliometric, Biblioshiny, both are new to us.
pardon?
Both are new to us, ma'am.
Both are new to you. Okay,
Yes,
so
yes.
what we can do is, because of time constraint, we can have one workshop entirely on bibliometrics. Like yesterday, we discussed PRISMA, and today we discussed the basics of bibliometrics or using Biblioshiny or art. But in one more workshop, we can discuss the things in detail as you are looking. I think it will take time and it is not just something to be learned in 1 minute or 2 minutes. Will it be better? Yes. So we can ask Bhola sir to either extend this workshop for 2 days or we can, have one more separate workshop as per the availability, as per your time. Will it be free?
Ma'am, actually, it would be better if we extend this because the main part that we specifically I have enrolled to know and how to use the Biblioshiny or Bibliometrics. And
Right,
that's what I understood through the workshops details that we have got, that we will be learning about how to use this.
right.
Yes, ma'am. I
So,
Right.
agree.
So if we can
I
extend this
agree with Payal, ma'am.
program for 1 or 2 days, we'll be able to get hands-on practical on this.
right. So we can ask sir.
Yeah.
Bhola sir.
No, I agree with Payal, ma'am. Same thing. I enrolled it because I want to learn this bibliometric.
Right, right. So you should have told me
But
yesterday. We should not have discussed Prisma then. Because what I told yesterday
That's the
that
reason
one.
we were asking. That's the reason we were asking for a practical, ma'am.
Okay, okay. That you told me, I
Yes,
think.
but due to that share and sharing issues and other, we lost a lot of time, I think,
Okay,
and we couldn't come to this point earlier. So if we would have, we were waiting for this only, I think, right, ma'am? We were waiting for
right,
this that the practical will start and we'll be able to,
same with the
understand this.
Prisma also. Like we were looking out for some
Yes.
kind of a practical thing. Like
okay, okay. So
not
what I can suggest is let us check whether sir is having some slots booked. Otherwise, we can continue or we can have it at some other time, and I can explain it further.
Yes. Not
I,
much, but just one more session, extended session for the same, just to how to use it practically, how to import the data and export the files ahead.
I
Only
can't.
that much. And along with that, Prisma, if we can
Yeah.
do that, just one session, that would be enough, I think.
Okay. So I can't commit this thing with you. Or what I can do is I can just send you a file wherein we will have all the steps. You can go through it and you can use it. And if there is any problem, you can ask me on the WhatsApp or email. This is another way we can do it. Is it not changing here? Anything? Everything got changed in my, software. Is
Payal,
it?
ma'am, and me. It's I
Are you
think we
getting
can
something
have
to
put a
me?
request in the WhatsApp group too.
Yes, I think we should put a request in the group itself saying that because
Next month,
without
maybe
hands-on
one more.
practical, it
Hmm.
would not give that value to the learning. So I think we'll put a request now. Let's see.
It's better we put a request in the WhatsApp group. I hope. Uh,
Yes, yes.
Okay. Okay, let me talk to sir. Bhola sir, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Good evening, sir.
Yeah, good evening, ma'am. What we'll do,
Yeah,
as participants they're requesting, we can have one more session, maybe on a later date, because we have our program now.
yeah, this
Okay.
is what I was suggesting them, that and any software cannot be learned in a day or two, in detail. I
So
have
we
given the
have a
overview for
special
PRISMA.
program extension of this, maybe 1 hour session, ma'am. Not one
Yeah,
and a half hour, 1 hour session as an extension to this program, not a
right.
separate.
No,
That
yes, sir. So
that
thanks for that. Thanks for understanding just how to import data and how to export. When
no,
that
no,
we do good,
That's
like how to take that.
that's perfectly fine because you have expressed and see whatever programs we are organizing, we want to extend the support to the scholars and the faculty members. That's the whole idea. And we are having 2 days program. We understand that's a very short time and we cannot have everything hands on. But at least the basic things, as you have expressed, okay, that must be, you must have that experience. So this is a very special case. And I request Monica ma'am also, based on
Sure,
your
sir.
availability, we can
I'm
have
here to
1 hour.
explain.
Ma'am.
Yeah,
After 15th, because we have our program, I'm traveling to Pune. So after 15th, let the WhatsApp group be there. We'll not issue the certificate also as of now. Once that 1 more hour session is over, then we'll issue the certificate.
Yes, sir. Thank you so much, sir, for
Yes, sir. Thank
understanding.
you for
There's
understanding.
no other issue, but just if we have one practical example of both Prisma and Biblioshiny, that will be really helpful.
Monica ma'am,
Yes,
is
we
it fine?
do.
yes, sir. It's
Yes, sir.
fine with me.
Yeah, yeah, that would be good actually. We can help.
Yes,
Yes.
yes,
Thank
sir.
you
We
so
don't
much,
want
ma'am. Thank you
case
so much.
study, only that kind of a practical thing alone we needed, sir.
Yes,
That's where
yes.
it
So
works.
now it's
Thank you.
Thank you, everyone. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, ma'am.
So we are done with
Thank you.
this 2 days workshop, and we have one more day add-on for 1 hour. And ma'am will not teach the hands-on part, the basic part. And with that, we'll close this no particular workshop. Then we'll issue the certificate. Okay, so let us keep it pending. Thank you, Monica ma'am, and thank you everyone.
Thank
Okay,
you,
so
sir.
let us
Thank you,
connect.
everyone.
Thank you, sir.
After speaking with Monica ma'am, I'll finalize the date and post on the WhatsApp group.
Right. Thank you, sir.
Okay.
Thank you,
Right.
everyone.
Okay, sir. Sure. Thank you.
Good night. Good night,
Right.
everyone. Thank you, sir.
So in the meantime, you can get R downloaded, and we can spend more time on Biblioshiny. So this screen must be visible on everyone's PC so that we can practice side by side that day.
Thank you, ma'am.
So in the meantime, you
Sure,
can
ma'am.
download
Thank
the
you.
software and
Yes.
you can use the commands and be ready with the screen. Right?
Thank
Thank you. Bye bye.
Thank you. Good night, ma'am.
Bye.
Thank you, ma'am.